This is the animated vector drawable file created in SHIFTIER design. In previous part, I will copy this file and open the Android Studio. Create a new project. And paste this file into a Drawable folder. I will change the name to ANIM. There's already a file in my folder, I will overwrite it. Here it is. It contains all the code about path and transition. This is a main XML file. I have placed an empty image view where we will place our animation. Width to 100 dp and height to 200 dp. Now I will open Kotlin file. If you don't know Kotlin, don't worry, I will also show the code of Java file. First of all, create an object of animated vector drawable. Then we will get our image view. Then we will set background resource of our image view with our animation file. Then typecast background to the rocket animation variable. This if statement is to check the AP level greater than 21. If I remove it, it will show us in the red line. And then we will add handler with the delay of 6 seconds and pass the intent into it. That's it. This is a Java code of that file. First we declare a variable, then an image view, set background resource, typecasting, and then start animation, and at last a handler with the delay of 6 seconds and intent into it. We are intended to register activity. In register XML, we have one text view only. Now I will run the project on emulator. The animation is working, but it seems we need to make some change in our animation file. I will change the interpolate value to fast out linear in. Copy and paste it to the other object animator. And now rerun the project. It is better and working perfectly in my real device. But still we can improve it by changing the duration. I will drop the better version below. Good luck, see you again.